Thank you for calling the Dubstep hotline. For wobble, press 1. For deep bass, press 2. For disgustingly dirty shit, press 3. You have selected disgustingly dirty shit. Please hold. Thank you for holding. We will now connect you to your DJ. Have a nice day.
Got a main bitch, got a mistress, a couple girlfriends, I'm so rich. Keep my dick on and keep me smoking. You get real screenshot and no joke. And what I stand for, Grease Squad. I'ma die for the shouter, man, I swear to God. In the trap with some killers and some hood niggas. Where you at? Where you trap? Keep this shit 300, put that shit on my hood. Chris fucking with the cheese and the rice roll. That's that Dinamigo freestyle on the dome. Grease Squad, walk a block of flames fucking on. I go hard in the motherfucking tank, nigga. Leave you stankin', nigga, what the fuck you thinking?